Hello students. Now next topic is that is find out KB and PKB. Find out KB and PKB. So here what is the that is KB and PKB depends on basic strength. I will use simple trick students, that is KB I am writing here. KB is directly proportional to the basicity or basic strength. Once again, first condition, that is, you remember simple trick, KB is directly proportional to the basic strength. And next, second one is PKB. PKB is inversely proportional to the basic strength. Basic strength, you remember student, this is the simple trick. These 2 points are very most important. So here find out KB and PKB given following compounds. So what I said, that is KB is directly proportional to the basicity or basic strength. More basic strength compounds always more KB value. You remember student? Find out KB and PKB values. Strong base always more KB value. Strong bases always, strong basic strength compounds always more KB value, and less basic strength compounds always less KB basic strength. And this is the very most important students. Here basic strength compounds always less PKB. Basic strength, more basic strength compounds are more basic strength compounds are having less PKB. You remember, more basic means that strong basic strength compounds are having less PKB. That means what I said, that is PKB is inversely proportional to the basic strength. So now here out of these two, find out the basic strength of find out the KB and PKB given following compounds. Here first compound having, that is primary amines, second compound having secondary amine. Out of these two, which one is more basic strength? Here what is the role of, beside this plus I group, what is the role of plus I group? This plus I group is always electron releasing group, so that's why basic strength, that is the basic strength is increases, means that is density, electron density increases on nitrogen. What about this B compound? This B compound belongs to secondary amines. The secondary amines having two methyl groups are the left hand side, right hand side. These both are belongs to plus I group. Plus I group is always electron releasing or electron donating, that is the reason. So here these both are electron releasing groups. So here electron density increases on nitrogen compared to A. B compound having more basic strength, more electron density. So here B compound is more basic strength than A compound. B compound having more basic strength than A compound. Here what about these two, which one is more KB value? B compound having more KB value. B compound, this B compound having more KB value. Remember student, strong base always more KB value. So here B compound having more KB value and less PKB value. You remember student, less PKB. Once again student, here B compound, this B compound is more KB and less PKB value. This is the simple trick student. So here basic strength is directly proportional to the KB and inversely proportional to the PKB. This is the simple trick student, you remember. Then now take the next example. Here in second example, this is primary amines, this is also primary amines, both are primary amines. This first compound belongs to aromatic compound and second compound belongs to aldehyde, that is cyclohexane. So what is the here, this the here conjugation is there, in A compound conjugation is there. So double, then single, then double, then single, then double, then single. This lone pair is involved in the delocalization. This lone pair is participating in the resonance. So here this lone pair is completely disappear due to the presence of conjugation. This lone pair participating in the resonance. So here this lone pair is completely disappear. In B compound, here the cyclohexane compound, the cyclohexane compound belongs to plus I group. What is the role of plus I group? This plus I group is always electron releasing group. So here electron density increases on nitrogen. Electron density increases on nitrogen. So here B compound is more basic strength than A compound. B compound is more basic strength than A compound. Here B compound is more basic strength than A compound. So a B compound has less pKb. B compound is B compound is less pKb value. You remember, student? B compound having less pKb value. B compound is less pKb value and more Kb value. This is a simple reason. What I said, that is B compound is more basic strength. More basic strength is always directly proportional to the Kb. So B compound is more Kb and less pKb. This is the simple trick, student, due to the presence of basic strength. And now what about next example, student? Here in next example, that is, this is also primary amines and this is secondary amines and this is the tertiary amines. Out of these three, which one is more basic strength? All our cyclic groups are there. All our cyclic groups are there. This primary, secondary, tertiary. So we know trick, that is 321, 321 means that is tertiary is greater than secondary, secondary is greater than primary. We know that is order. And one more condition, these all are plus I group. What is the role of plus I group here? Electron releasing group. So here electron density increases on nitrogen first compound. B compound is one cyclic group is there, one methyl group is there. More electron density increases on nitrogen, and C compound having one cyclic group is there, two methyl groups are there. So total the tertiary amine. So here more basic strength means that is more electron density increases on nitrogen. So that is the reason. What is the order? Basic strength order. C is greater than B, B is greater than A. This is the basic strength order, student. Out of these three, which one is more Kb value? C compound. This C compound having more Kb value. This C compound having more Kb, more Kb value, not Kp, more Kb. The C compound having more Kb value. Kb value always directly proportional to the basic strength. This is C compound having more Kb and less pKb, less pKb, less pKb. Once again, student, basic strength is inversely proportional to the pKb. Once again, here strong base means more basic strength compounds. More basic strength compounds are always less pKb value. Remember, student, this is the very most important. Out of these three, which one is more Kb value? That is this first compound. This first compound having more pKb value, more pKb. This first compound having more pKb. First compound having more pKb due to the less basic strength, and first compound having less Kb also. This is the simple trick, student. So here pKb is inversely proportional to the basic strength. Now next example, student, here all are primary amines. This is also primary amines. It is also primary amines, primary amines, primary amines. These all are cyclic groups are there. All are cyclic groups are there. So all are electron releasing. So all are electron releasing groups. So here electron density increases. Extra methyl group is there. More electron density increases. More electron releasing group. So electron density more on second compound. And what about this compound here? This cyano group is there. What is the role of cyano group? The cyano group is belongs to minus I. And D compound also NO2 group is there. This NO2 group also belongs to minus I group. Once again, student, here minus I group, I am writing here minus I groups. Minus I group is inversely proportional to the basic strength. Basic strength. Inversely proportional to basic strength, student. These both are minus I groups. These minus I groups are belongs to minus I groups are inversely proportional to basic strength. Out of these two, which one is more basic strength here? NO2 group is the strong withdrawing group. NO2 is greater than of cyanide. Cyano group is there. NO2 is the strong withdrawing group, so that's why it is the least basic strength. See, D compound having least basic strength. See, D compound is least basic strength. So out of these four, which one is more basic strength here? B compound. B compound is more basic strength than A compound. A compound is more basic strength than C compound. C compound is more basic strength than D compound. This is the order, student. This is the order. These both are belongs to plus I group, and this C and belongs to minus I group. So here out of these two, which one is strong minus I group? NO2 is belongs to strong minus I group, so that's why it is the least basic strength. So it is strong withdrawing. This is strong withdrawing compared to this one. So this is the NO2 is the least basic strength, that is the least priority. So which one is more basic strength? B compound is more basic strength than A compound. And one more question, out of these four, which one is more pKb value? Which one is more pKb value? D compound. This D compound having more pKb value. Remember student, D compound is more pKb value due to the less basic strength. Less basic strength always more pKb. Once again, so here I am writing here, less basic strength compounds always, less basic strength compound always more pKb. You remember, more pKb. And more basic strength compound always less pKb. This is very most important student. So that is the Ka and pKb. Once again student, strong basic strength compounds always more Ka, sorry, basic strength compound, more basic strength compounds always more Kb and less pKb, and less basic strength compounds always less Kb and more pKb. This is the simple trick student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.